Okay, so now for part 2, okay, given the radius of the large spherical object is twice the size of the small spherical object, find the radius of one large spherical object, which means in this case, you're asked to find the radius of the large sphere. Okay, but you have nothing to represent this radius. Okay, so because it's an unknown, okay, and there's a link between the large and the small sphere, okay, they are not two different unknowns. We can make them similar unknowns, okay, since there's a correlation between their radiuses, okay, where one is the twice of the other. Okay, so let the radius of the small spherical object be r. Okay, then since the large sphere is twice of it, is 2r. Okay, and the total volume of the 6 spherical objects, okay, essentially is 3 of the large and 3 of the small. Okay, so if we work it out, okay, because I have 3 of each, okay, to make our lives easier, okay, I'm going to put a big bracket 3 outside to represent 3 of each. Then I will sum up one of the individual large sphere and one of the individual small sphere first. Okay, so your large sphere radius is 2r. Okay, so take note, it's 2r entire thing cube. Okay, not 2r cube. Okay, different. Okay, then for a small sphere object, okay, because the radius is just r cube. Okay, sum it up, simplify, you should get 36 pi r cube. Then you equate what you found earlier, okay, which is 37, sorry, not 37, 972 pi, which is the additional volume that was increased. Okay, to equate to this volume of these 6 spheres. Okay, solve for r. Okay, so divide the 36 pi over, you get r cubed equals 27. Okay, cube root r, because I want to find r, not r cubed. Okay, since it's a cube root, there is no plus minus. Okay, it is just 3 cm. Okay, so the radius of your small sphere is 3 cm, but what you want is to find the radius of large sphere. Okay, so just multiply by 2. Okay, so 2r equals to 2 times 3, you get 6 cm. Okay, that's how you solve these kind of questions. Okay, if you have an unknown and there's a relation between the unknowns, okay, you can make them similar unknowns where you're only working with one variable.